My name is Brett Lauzon, and I currently play in the band Truth Teller from Cornwall, Ontario, Canada. I've been drumming now for over 20 years, and I've always played in heavier bands and listened to heavier music. Finding sticks that have withstood a beating has always been an issue for me, and ever since I found Collision, it's kind of been a game changer. Lately, I've been playing the 5 VRs. They're pretty much my favorite sticks I've ever played. They just are a different dynamic when you are playing your drum set. It gives you like a little longer reach. It tends to save me a lot of energy when I'm playing, as well as it sped up my drumming style in a little bit. So it's been super awesome in that aspect. As soon as I found these, it's been You can tell Collision Drumsticks take what they do super seriously, as the quality of their sticks are incredible. Even better is the team behind these sticks. So since day one, their communication with me has been amazing. Becoming an artist on their roster has been an incredible experience. Getting to know them, super awesome people. Their drive to listen to their drummers has actually been really cool to see too. They really listen to like their feedback and everything that come from us, and their passion within the industry. It really shows when you use Collision Drumsticks. Next I'll be playing a song from my band Truth Teller called Oannis. We've got tons of rad news coming out in the near future, so be sure to check us out and follow us on all social media. Thank you.